Hi, this is Allie Peters here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm standing in our brand new listing located at 9487 Loggia Street in Highlands Ranch. This is a rare A unit in the sought after community of Tresana. It's a corner lot featuring the greenbelt, no stairs at all, 2 beds, 2 baths, and 1,600 square feet. Let's take a look around. Not only is this a beautiful home, it is the absolute perfect location. Within the neighborhood, there is an amazing pool, and you're within walking distance to grocery stores, restaurants, and shopping centers. You truly cannot miss out on this location, so if you want to see it for yourself, you can schedule a private showing with me or come by our open house on Saturday, July 22nd. Hope to see you there.